In a distant land, in the heart of a magical forest, lived cheerful animals. They had sparkling eyes, fluffy fur, and playful ears. In this enchanting forest, every day began with marvelous adventures. But one day the forest woke up different than usual. The chief inhabitant of the forest, the wise teacher owl, gathered all the residents for a meeting. She revealed to them the secret path, our home, needs our care. Teacher Owl shared a story about the importance of preserving nature so that every day could be magical. The first lesson was the lesson of water care. The animals learned that every water droplet is like a magical potion carrying life. They decided not to waste water unnecessarily by turning off the tap when not in use and not throwing garbage into rivers, so that water would remain pure and magical. The next step was the lesson of air care. The animals learned that trees are legendary air filters that make the air fresh and clean. They promised to plant trees and preserve the forest so that every breath could be filled with the magic of fresh air. The third lesson was about earth care. The animals learned that plants are treasures of nature, so they decided not to disturb flowers and trees without need. They also promised not to litter on the ground, so that every corner of the forest remained magical and clean. Finally, Teacher Owl shared the last important lesson, animal care. The animals learned that all creatures in the forest are valuable and interconnected. They promised to respect other inhabitants of the forest and help those in need. Thus, the animals of the magical forest became true defenders of the earth. Together, they cared for water, air, earth, and each other. Each day in their magical forest became brighter and more joyful because they understood that only by caring for nature together could they preserve this magical world for future generations. And that's how the cheerful animals of the magical forest learned to cherish our earth, making it a magical place for all beings.